Good morning, everybody. Today I'm here to talk to you about the corona virus or the COVID-19 as it is known. As all of you are aware, it's a serious issue and we need to deal with it. And today I'm here to talk to you as all of us employees of the organization, what are the various precautions we need to take. As all of you are aware, this issue of coronavirus has spread across many countries, continents, and is now called a pandemic. And over 1.5 to 1.6 lakh people across the globe have been affected, and over 6,500 people have died. We need to take this issue very, very seriously. Now, how does this disease spread? This disease spreads basically if there's an infected person and that person speaks and certain droplets fall on the other person, then that person can equally get affected. Or this person speaks and certain virus is left somewhere on surfaces and the next person touches the surfaces, and after touching the surface by mistake may touch their nose, eyes or face, then the virus can enter the system and can really affect the person who subsequently touched that area. Therefore, to start with, certain hygiene is something that we will need to follow and practice all the time. Now, what are these hygienes? You may have already heard from the press or from the media about how to protect yourself from this virus. The basic and simplest way to do is to actually use the sanitizer, which you can keep in your personal work area, which you can use to sanitize yourself from time to time. The second thing you can do is to wash your hands from time to time with soap and water, which I think, if you wash it well, supposedly, in fact, it's quite effective. In fact, it's more effective even than the sanitizer is what I'm told. The third thing is try as much as possible to avoid touching general areas that you can avoid touching in any location like lifts, etc. Number 4, if you happen to touch any of those areas, then try your best not to, touch your face, nose, eyes, etc. if you have to, and probably wash yourself all over again and do it. Now, these are some very basic things to deal with in this environment and keep personal hygiene. Apart from your personal hygiene, the bank is also making available in all floors, offices, reception, branches, everywhere we're going to put sanitizers or already put sanitizers, which you please use liberally and you please use from time to time. As far as branches are concerned, the branches are open. We are meeting customers and customers are visiting our branches. Now, there are certain precautions you will still need to take. Please use the same norms, wash your hands, use the sanitizer, keep the distance of 1 meter from the customer. And after the customer leaves, or even otherwise, during the course of the day, try to sanitize the places, try to sanitize the door handles, try to sanitize the glass. Just keep yourself as clean as you can in all these customer access areas. Now, if you are a relationship manager and you're going out to meet your customers, or if you're a debt recovery person, you're going out to meet customers and it's part of your job, then you can do certain things. One is don't shake hands with customers or with anybody for that matter. You may use the folded hands of Namaste and greet people. You can finish the work on hand, and then you can come back, and after you come back, maybe I would still recommend to use the same procedures like, sanitizing, washing hands, not touching your face, cleaning your, keeping yourself clean, and so on and so forth. Now, in terms of restrictions, obviously there are going to be many restrictions as we tide over this phase. Some of these restrictions are on travel. For example, international travel is entirely banned. Domestic travel, if you really have to, you please travel with the approval of your supervisor and your supervisor's supervisor. And if you do, please follow the same norms, keep distance, don't enter into crowded areas. If you have to travel somewhere, same norms of keeping hands clean, sanitizing, keeping distance, just follow all these norms. If you have any symptoms, come back and report to HR, quarantine yourself, because really it's in the interest of yourself as well as everybody around you. As far as visitors are concerned, if you have to meet them, please meet them in the common work area of the meeting centers. Please try avoiding access to visitors in your work areas, your cabins or your floors, because we just want to keep the place as sanitized as possible. Apart from all the hygiene issues I talked to you about, the bank on its own is doing certain structural precautions and planning that the bank is doing to deal with the situation. There are business continuity plans, there are backup plans, there are plans to split the operations. There is a COVID center being set up so that people can reach out and can seek assistance. There is a HR helpline. So basically, we are setting up many of the structural things which you will hear about by email from our HR or from admin as well. I must once again point out to every one of you that this COVID-19 or coronavirus is a serious issue. If you have a symptom or anybody in your family has a symptom, I strongly recommend you mention this to HR and quarantine yourself till you're pretty sure that you're beyond that stage. I must definitely point out to you that in your own interest, in the interest of your family, in the interest of your colleagues, in the interest of the country, and the interest of the overall well-being of all of us humans around us, I really request you to take this issue very seriously. All the controls that were mentioned by our COO, Mr. Madhivanan, yesterday, please ensure that you follow all of them. I want to share with you that dealing with this coronavirus, it's all around us, involves a lot of commitment and even inconvenience of dealing with the issue. But every one of us have to go through with this because it's really important that we put our ultimate effort into making this happen. I would request every one of you to buy your own personal sanitizer, keep it in your own personal work area, and sanitize yourself from time to time. I'm personally wearing this mask, so wearing a mask is absolutely fine. In fact, you're a responsible citizen, you're a responsible employee for wearing a mask these days, so that nothing from you spills on somebody else and nothing on somebody else comes onto you, like this. So thank you very much, every one of you, in dealing with the situation. If there is any doubt whatsoever, feel free entirely to reach out to your supervisors or to human resources or to the admin leaders who are dealing with the situation. Thank you very much and look forward to complete commitment from every one of you. Thank you.